Morning guys, it's cousin Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and today is Tuesday, July 16th, and you're looking at the one-day chart of the S&P Emini futures. So a minute before the market opens, I'm going to go to a 1-minute chart. The market is just about to open. We want to reduce risk as much as possible. In the fog of war move, early in the morning, you jump on, it'll go with you, it'll go against you, and it'll be a quick move. And it's really a gamble unless you have some information that's really tends a movement in one particular direction or another. I want to call your attention to candlesticks. Each candle is making lower lows. See this? This candle, and I'm talking about not just the body, but the body and the shadow. We really want to bring risk down to as close to zero as possible, and that means not trading until we have really good indication, as much as our education allows us, that the market is going to go in a particular direction, and that we develop a sentiment based on knowledge, and that knowledge is gained by taking a trading course, my trading course, Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom at Timeless Dollar, and getting experience through paper trading for months, not days, not weeks, months. There's no rush to trade. The market's open virtually every day. There's money to be made virtually every day. There's money to be lost every day. So don't trade unless you really know what you're doing. And look, some trades are going to result in losses. Absolutely. Some trades will result in losses. But if you think you know which way the market is going to go and you do jump into a trade and it goes against you, just get out of the trade and you'll minimize that loss, and you'll wait till the next trade where the odds are, with knowledge and experience, you will make money. And any losses will be overcome by profit. There are some days where it's really difficult to tell what the market is going to do and therefore to take a trade. I want to make money. I don't want to lose money. And the only way to lose money, there is only one way to lose money when you're trading. Do you know what that is? If you are in the market. That's the only way to lose money. So if you don't want to lose money, don't be in the market. I didn't say don't trade. I said don't be in the market. Market's a dangerous place. I say this in my course over and over. Market is a dangerous place. Look at these moves. Look at these moves. There's no discernible pattern, but trends do develop. The candlesticks indicate those trends, and it's a question of sitting pat, finding them. And if we are wrong, if instead of a trend, we're in a consolidation, and the market goes against you, then up a little, then down a little, then up a little, just get out. Get out, because the trend, when it does develop, can develop against you. And you went in the market expecting a move at that point in time in a particular direction. And if it doesn't materialize at that point in time, just get out.